Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans vertically. To achieve this, you'll need to understand that the game is primarily designed for a horizontal or landscape orientation. Playing it vertically requires some external adjustments, as there isn't a built-in option. This often involves using third-party applications or specific device settings to force the screen rotation. Be prepared for potential visual distortions or minor performance changes, as you're essentially making the game run in a non-native display mode. For software solutions, you can explore various screen rotation control applications available on your device's App Store. These tools allow you to override the default orientation settings for individual applications. Once installed, you'll typically configure the app to force a portrait mode specifically for Clash of Clans. It might take a few attempts to find the perfect settings, so experiment with different rotation lock options to achieve the most comfortable and visually appealing vertical display for your gameplay. Beyond third-party apps, some Android devices offer advanced developer options that include forced screen rotation settings. You might find these under your device's system settings, though they can be hidden. Another effective method is to use an Android emulator on a personal computer. Many emulators provide robust display customization, allowing you to set a portrait aspect ratio, such as 9:16, for your game window. This gives you precise control over the vertical presentation. When playing Clash of Clans vertically, it's important to manage your expectations. User interface elements, like buttons and resource bars, might appear stretched or misaligned as they are optimized for landscape. You could also experience a slight dip in performance due to the non-native rendering. Always ensure your game data is backed up before making significant system changes. While vertical play offers a fresh perspective, it may not be ideal for highly competitive or precise gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.